Traders, August 22nd, 2018. It's after the market close. Going to provide another update on HealthMed, ticker symbol HEME. So now I'm providing this trading report update because HealthMed pretty much been trading above her uptrend. You see that? I haven't reported on her for 2-3 days, but I figured I'll give another update. She trails below it, but by the end of the day, by the close, she's above it. That's good. There's buyers in there. They see the uptrend, and they want it to stay above the uptrend, and that's bullish for us. And this is downtrend. I stated before. What I also stated in my previous tutorials on HealthMed, if you're watching these tutorials closely, I believe it's going to do something similar to here, but in a tighter trading range, because we're getting to this narrow channel, right? So what she's going to do, maybe she'll pop up to here, form resistance, and then trail down to here, form support, and then break through. The goal is to make sure the next support level is higher than this support level, okay? That's the goal. So she can create resistance, create a lower high around this area. But if she breaks through this trend line, this downtrend, at any given day, by the end of the close, she's above it, that's it. Bulls took over. So pay attention to that. She's still trading above her uptrend, showing that there's buyers in it. This is support. It's healthy. Let's see what she does moving forward. I still think she's going to do well. I believe she's going to hit a newer high than the previous one over here at 0.0117, maybe 118. So keep your eye on her, and keep your eye on marijuana stocks in general. I believe consolidated for a while now, that it should have a spectacular year. You know, maybe something will happen in 2018, but I believe in 2019 something spectacular will happen. So keep your eyes on marijuana stocks. Remember, I reported this was an update for HEME. And if you want to take a live trading course with myself, visit my site, thetradingteacher.com. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this tutorial if you find this tutorial helpful.